So the key takeaways from this lesson, first of all, is the notation for taking higher order derivatives. And in the first video, I went all the way 1, 2, 3, 4, taking the fourth derivative. We can kind of generally say we note the nth derivative. The nth derivative. So let's say I wanted the seventh derivative of a function as either, if we're talking about Leibniz notation, that is d, the nth derivative of y with respect to x to the n. So if it was 7, it'd be the seventh derivative of y with respect to x to the seventh. Or, again, f, we can put the prime tick marks really after about 3. You stop doing that, and you just kind of note it like so. It would be the nth derivative of f of x. So the notation is a big takeaway today. Really, the process of taking a derivative of a derivative doesn't change anything in terms of new skills. The one thing to make sure we note of, though, is when taking higher order derivatives, using implicit differentiation. Like we did in the previous video, when we use implicit differentiation, you may, in fact, you almost certainly will have to substitute dy dx in. So for example, when we take the derivative implicitly, it's very common for our answer to come out in terms of x's and y's, as a function of x's and y's. So if I take the second derivative of that, which will have to be implicitly, I'll get dy dx again, and just know that you can substitute it in with what you already found for dy dx.